Hey, what's up guys, David Rishka here, and today I'm gonna record just a short video for all of you guys to talk about Canva.com. If you go to Google or any search engine and type in Canva.com, this page will pop up, and this site will actually help you to create any kind of images for example, for your YouTube channel, for Facebook channel. And I'm just gonna show you a couple of things. So when you come over here and you click in this box, you can create images for your Instagram post, and it's already gonna have the right measurements. Okay, 1080 by 1080, which is what Instagram is. Those are the Instagram measurements for their pictures. For Facebook, Facebook posts, you can create images 940 by 788. So this is a easy and fantastic way to create images in the sizes that these websites require. Okay, you can create your logos over here, any social media, your thumbnail for your videos. So I'll show you just a quick example over here. You can even create business cards over here. So for example, your for your videos on your YouTube channel, if you want to create a thumbnail, and thumbnail is kind of like a screenshot on the video. When you are searching for video on YouTube, you will search for certain kind of videos, and when you hit enter, you will have like different videos pop up on top of each other, and the thumbnail is the screenshot of the video, the picture of the video that shows up on the search, in the search boxes over there. So for example, here to create that thumbnail, you can, so this is the correct size that's already set for you. You just click on the image, it'll pop over here. It's so easy. And then you can change the text over here, okay? So you can highlight the text, you can delete it, and then you can type something, okay? And you can choose the text you wanna use. So for example, I don't know, we can use this one. All right. So, and you can type up something like, hey, and you can move it around if you would like to. You need to see this. All right. So, and this is how you would create your thumbnail. You can put your name over here. David R, or whatever your name is, and you can move this around a little bit. You can edit even the bottom, delete it, or add something to it. Super easy. And once you are done, or if you want to change the image, you can even add your own images. Okay, so you click on uploads, and it'll show you all the pictures that you downloaded in this account. Or you can choose from some of the free pictures. A lot of them are free. It says free, and some of them are paid. Okay, so all these are free pictures that you can choose for your thumbnail. And as you scroll down, some of them are gonna be paid, like 99 cents. All these are free. Okay, so there is a lot of images over here. Anyway, so I wanted to show you, and when you are done editing all the text, pictures, you just hit download, and it'll download to your computer, okay? And then you just access the picture from your computer. Then if you go to your channel over here, you can choose, for example, this one. Let's say I wanna edit this video. David Rishka here. All right, it's still loading over here. So let's say you wanna edit some videos. Let me go over here. Actually, I'm gonna change this up a little bit. Switch account, access keeper. Computer is running a little slow today. Guys, good morning. So for example, over here, you come to your YouTube channel and you decide you want to edit your videos. You want to create your thumbnails, which is over here. And you can choose any of these images to create your thumbnail, okay? So you would click on one of these images and then you would go to your computer and see, when you hover your mouse over it, you just hit download image over here. And then you can go to your computer and find the image that you wanna choose from your computer, the one that you saved from the Canva website. And then you just click save, and it'll save on your computer. It's pretty easy. But anyways, you can create any kind of, you can create a post on Pinterest, collage for Facebook app, all kinds of things. Okay, so I just want to do a quick review of this website. It's fantastic. I highly recommend it. I've been using it for a while now, and it's been a great help. I just like the fact that it's so easy to navigate around, and all the pictures, the free pictures you can choose from. Okay, you can create posters, presentations, flyers, all kinds of things. It's fantastic tools. All right, so that's it for today's video, guys, and I will be back tomorrow. I just wanted to show you this fantastic tool real quick for those of you who are having problems or don't know, or you are just beginning with online business or doing any kind of work online or promoting anything. This is a great tool to have in your toolbox. Okay, that's it for today. This is David Rishka, and I will speak with you soon. If you have any comments, please comment below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more information, for more videos, and I will speak with you soon. Take care now.